Alright, we're going to be doing measuring the blood pressure. I already did my opening. I have my supplies. I have my BP cuff, my stethoscope, and my alcohol wipes. Okay? Alright, Ms. Smith, we're going to go ahead and take your blood pressure. First, I'm going to go ahead and clean the earpieces with my alcohol wipes. Go to the stethoscope and clean the diaphragm. Go ahead and put that in the trash. Okay. I'm going to make sure that my stethoscope is on. Okay. I checked both sides. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take your blood pressure on your right arm. I'm going to go ahead and feel the brachial pulse. Or the brachial artery, actually. We're not feeling for a pulse because you're not going to feel a pulse. But you're feeling for the artery. We're going to go ahead and place the BP cuff around the patient's arm. Make sure that you can see the gauge. With the stethoscope, make sure you hold it with your fingers and don't tuck it in the BP cuff. Okay, go ahead and inflate the cuff between 160 and 180. Slowly let the air out. As you're letting the air out, you want to listen for the first pulse sound, and then you want to listen for the last pulse sound when it disappears. Okay? And then let all the air out. Alright, Ms. Smith, you're all done. Go ahead and remove the BP cuff. Cover you back up. Put away your supplies. Do your closing procedure. Once you're done, go ahead and go outside and chart or record the results that you got for your blood pressure.